Here are the GGS 28CE and the GGS 28 LCE Professional from Bosch, the robust straight grinders for universal grinding work. The GGS 28CE Professional impresses with its compact design and low weight, while the GGS 28 LCE Professional has a long spindle collar that enables it to get into even tight spaces, for example in pipes. The GGS 28CE Professional enables excellent handling and low fatigue working, even in hard-to-reach areas. Both grinders also impress with their powerful motors which enable fast work progress. The kickback stop automatically detects when the grinding stone is jammed and shuts down the tool immediately. Experience for yourself the GGS 28CE and the GGS 28 LCE Professional, the robust tools for universal grinding work.